Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 2 of your computing session. I hope you enjoyed playing the bubble game last week and also just getting to know a bit more games in Purple Mash. This week we will be looking at coding again, but we'll be looking at a different application which is called Fun with Fish, and I do hope you'll enjoy it. I'm going to get straight into it. It's pretty much the same as what we did last week, but we're just adding on a bit more features. So let's have a look. If you go into computing and you choose to code, I will set this up as a task for you. So when you do coding later on, at the end of this lesson, all you'll have to do is go back into alerts and have a look for your message from me, which will take you straight to Fun with Fish. So if you click on Fun with Fish, let us launch the app. And there we have a set of instructions. This morning, I will be challenging you into only doing the first 2 levels with you. Then I will give you a chance to complete number 3 and number 4 on your own. I might go into number 3 and see how we can fix the problem, because level 3 is normally where we have a little problem that the monkey has created and didn't create the proper code, and we have to help him fix it. Then when you get to level 4, where you have to create your own fish program, I'll allow you to be as creative as possible and have fun with your own coding. Okay, let's get right into it and start with number 1. So the first level, if we have a look at my screen, says to move the tuner to the right. Level number 2 says then we have to make the crab move to the left. Number 3 says there's a broken fish tank screensaver. Okay, so we have to fix the problem so that the fish are moving both left and right and no other direction. And level number 4 is to create your own fish program where you use the design mode like we did last week with the bubbles to add in more fish or more directions you want the fish to go in, and we'll make it fun, make it our own. Let's start with number 1. I realized that last week you could not hear the video, so I won't play my video this time around, but if you want to, definitely play the video when you get to your game. And then click OK. If you by accidentally clicked OK before watching the video, you can always go to the right over here where you see this question mark in the blue box. If you click on it, the video option should pop up again and you can watch the video as many times as you like. I'll say OK. And then the first thing we have to do is make our tuner move to the right. Who can remember what we have to do? What's this black window called again? Last week I told you it's called sum window. I wonder if anyone can remember. That's right, it's our code window, and we have to put all of our codes or instructions into it so that our computer actually carries out that code for us. So firstly, I'm going over to my tuner. I'm going to click and drag it across to my code window. My instruction is over here as well, and I can see that the tuna fish must definitely move to the right. Once I've done that, I'm going to click play and see if it works. Yes, my tuna fish is moving to the right, and because I did the correct thing, I can now click on next challenge. If I didn't make my tuna fish go to the right, maybe it went to the left instead, do you think I would have had a next challenge arrow showing here? No, I wouldn't have, because it was going in the wrong direction. So well done. We are moving to the right and we're moving to the next level. Now we're adding a crab. Our crab must move to the left. I'm going to click OK. I understand that my tuna fish is in my code window. I'm not going to remove it. I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to get my crab click on it, drag it across to my code window, and underneath tuna, I'll drop my crab, and I think my crab should move down. Let's play it and see. Tuna, crab. My crab's moving down, but I don't see an arrow popping up. I wonder what I did wrong. Can anyone tell me what I might have done wrong? That's correct. My crab is going in the wrong direction. Over here, it says, my instruction says, make the crab move left. At the moment, my crab is moving down. So I'm going to click on down and search for left. That should be right now. Click play again. Let's see if this works. There we go. My next challenge has popped up. Right, oh dear, we need to fix this program so that the fish can move left and right, because unfortunately, the monkey made a big mistake. Let's have a look. Oh, all of them are just falling down. So, because my instruction says fix the program so the fish move left and right, it doesn't really matter which fish is moving left and which fish was moving right. So for my tuna, I might say he can go left. My trout could go right. And my clownfish, I would say, can go left as well. And then that should work. Well done, you one. We got that right, and let's see if we got all of our stars for completing our session today. Well done. We can get a maximum of 5 stars if we complete our lesson without using any hints. If you do end up using any hints during the lesson or during each level, I think you lose at least 1 star for every hint you use. So try not to use the hints, but watch as many videos as you like. If you really do need the hint, if it's a complicated level, by all means use them. Okay, and now you're going to click OK, and it is now your turn to show me how you can create your own fish tank using your fish going in different directions. Maybe they can make a sound when you click on them. Maybe you can add a few more fish, okay? So make your fish tank screensaver better by adding more fish, and try clicking events so that your fish don't start moving until you click them. Okay, I'll start one of them maybe before we do that. So if we go to design, we have a clownfish, we have trout, and we have tuna. Maybe we can add a salmon over there. You can move your fish around as much as you like. And then I'll add a crab to the bottom here. There we go. I might add one more clownfish to the top. Over there, that looks lovely. And they can all be swimming in my fish tank. Once I have the amount of fish or fish that I like, I can go to exit. You can add as many fish as you like. You don't have to add more fish, but it's entirely up to you. I'm going to exit design mode, and I'm going to say my clownfish should be moving to the right. Tuna moving to the left. They can all just move in their own way, whichever way you want them to go. Trout could be moving to the right as well. Salmon could be following my tuna to the left. My clownfish at the top could go to the left as well. And then my crab, maybe my crab can go left because he's starting in the right corner, and this clownfish can go to the right. Okay, right. Now I'm going to click on that and see all my fish moving and see if I'm happy with them going in all the different directions. That looks like a peaceful transition in there, and I'm quite happy with them moving about. I'm going to click stop so that I can now use the when clicked option. So when clicked, when I click my clownfish, I would like my clownfish. Whoops. Let me just move that back down. I made a big mistake now. I think I made my crab move. My crab move to the left, I said. Right. So now, when I click on my clownfish, I would like my clownfish to... What would you like your clownfish to do? Disappear? Remember, on the coding lesson, we don't have disappear. We do have the words hide. We do have the words show or appear. And you can even make them go in a different direction when you click on them. So that I'm going to leave up to you to decide. And I'm looking forward to seeing your interesting fish tanks at the end of the day. I hope you enjoy playing around with the fish today. If you found the bubble activity a bit tricky last week, please go ahead and play the bubble activity again as many times as you like. You can play the fish as many times as you like until you feel quite confident about your coding. Okay, I look forward to the next lesson, but mostly I look forward to seeing your fish tanks at the end of the day. Have a lovely day and enjoy your weekend, year one. See you next week. Bye-bye.